Today I'm showing you my first Maxon C4D digital asset package. This is an asset pack for implementing automatic light flow using RS materials in Cinema 4D. The asset package includes common application examples and materials with different parameters from Redshift. This includes common types of light. These types can be used in combination. This also includes some line types without any material. The final asset includes 16 complete C4D application files, whose parameters can be adjusted as needed. These cases, which involved a significant amount of time and effort, are believed to have substantial business value for everyone. These cases were carefully selected by me and continuously adjusted based on the actual situation. Finally, it includes several material spheres with different line lengths and types. First, create a spline of type backdrop. Add RS object tag. Change mode to hair strands. Open the Redshift IPR rendering window and pin the window to the right side of the software. Then select a normal length spline based on the provided material sphere. The default lighting effects can be seen in the IPR window. Create an RS camera object. Switch to the lens effects panel and enable bloom. The effect of the light was immediately and qualitatively improved. Adjusting the rendering parameters of the Redshift renderer. Enable noise cancellation. You can even turn off global illumination. Slightly adjust the intensity of the lens bloom. The light will flow automatically when the timeline spline is dragged. By selecting the spline inversion segment index at the clone level, the reverse flow of light can be achieved. It truly achieves one-click generation of light animations. This is the basic usage of this asset package. Based on the knowledge gained so far, you can now try out several common preset light animations. You don't need to worry about how the light should flow. You only need to focus on making your image aesthetically pleasing. The visuals don't seem as good when the material type used earlier is changed to a ring. Try replacing different material presets and see what the difference is. The effect seems to be better after replacing the material ball. The parameters that affect the detail or aesthetics of an image are generally pixel thickness and opacity. Adjusting the thickness of the spline using curves will result in better image quality. Increasing the random size of the line segments might produce unexpected results. The biggest advantage of this asset package is its unlimited potential. Copy the material sphere and assign it to the spline object. Finally, adjust the speed of the light rays. This simple operation allows you to stack multiple light animations. Add path splines to the scene object list. Assign the material and label to the new object. Drag the timeline to observe the animation effects. Add another material ball to the existing one. Mixing different types of materials can produce completely different effects. You can create different combinations based on the basic material balls I provided. For some materials, I've directly exposed the core parameters in the parameter panel for you to adjust. For example, operations such as changing colors or random values. Finally, I'll demonstrate some basic text effects in Cinema 4D. Note that this asset can only be applied to objects with multiple splines. You can freely increase or decrease the quantity or change the text content. The last application explained in the video is combined application. The first function is material stacking. The second feature is that the direction of the flow can be changed at will without modifying the material parameters. Based on the provided assets, suitable animation scenes can be quickly built. It's best to convert the animated splines into editable objects. Choose the appropriate material ball based on the length of the line. At the end of the video, I randomly selected a complete case study to showcase. The number of splines can be adjusted according to the actual situation. You can also replace the material ball as needed. The corresponding complete case files all have preview animations. This concludes the complete introduction to the Redshift Auto-Flowing Animation Material Asset Pack. You can get and download it from my Patreon right now.